Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm a bit flustered because I've been trying to figure out how to do this random YouTube picker, okay, for my giveaway. Now, I went onto here. I'm not going to go back because I'm going to get myself into trouble. I'll show you. I went onto this video here, and that was the one that had the flowers on it, and on this video here there is 62 comments, okay? So I copied that and I pasted it onto here, and that is there, and I've got 62 comments. If you can see that there, that's 20, and over here I'm going to go over here and I'm going to press this button and it says start. So we hit let's start. And there goes the names. Look at it, look, there's the names. See, it's sharing everybody out. And the winner is Susan, and ERNST. And she is the winner of my competition. I'm sure you won something once off me before, Susan. That's so good. I'm so pleased that you won that. So thank you everybody for being in this, and I really appreciate it. So Susan, I will find, maybe just send me an email, save me having to go look for them, because I have a lot of emails there. So can you just send me your email please, and I will give this to you straight away. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.